There's a reason it's called hard enduro. It's technically very hard to ride. It's physically very hard to the rider. And it is very, very hard on the bikes. My last hard enduro rides, they were very physically hard on me and also on my bike. But actually, not much broke. I had to change the gear shift lever and the brake lever, and that's actually what was broken. But my radiator here on the left side, it's bent pretty bad. So it's time for me to change for a new one. And I have ordered a new one. I have it here, and it looks really, really nice. It came in a very good padded box, and they have cardboard on both sides here, and there is no harm to it at all. It came to me in perfect good condition. So let's take a look at this radiator that is a little bit bent. It's still working, it's no problem at all, but it's bent. So let's see if I can get this fluid out without having too much on the floor. Try like this. And I hope that one is enough. It should be. Whoa! Yep, clumsy. Okay, I got it off. Now you can see really how bent it is. Oh, leaking. And by the way, I have taken the fuel tank off, and you don't need to do that, of course, but I'm gonna check something else while I'm doing this. Liquid moly. Top up with what I spilled out. There we go. Now I just have to run the engine a little bit to see if I have to top up. But it was pretty easy to change the radiator. This is how you change the radiator on the Kamax, and if you're interested in a radiator, just check the video description below for a link to it. Thanks for watching.